Learning sales tax in QuickBooks Online for Canada? You're in the right place. We'll set it up, apply it correctly, and report it, step by step. This is essential for compliance and accurate remittance. Let's make taxes less intimidating and totally manageable. QuickBooks Online automates Canadian sales tax tracking. It handles GST, HST, PST, and QST across jurisdictions. QBO uses your business and customer addresses to suggest rates. You can manage multiple agencies and reporting periods. It calculates tax on invoices and receipts automatically. And it tracks tax collected versus tax paid for remittance. Reports show what you owe to each agency. Now, let's set it up properly. Canada first. Go to Taxes, then Sales Tax, and select Set up Sales Tax. QBO uses your business address to determine default rates. Add the agencies you remit to, CRA, Provincial PST, or Revenue Quebec. Assign remittance frequency and method based on your registration. Save your setup. Your sales tax center is now active. Great. Next, define tax codes that match your items. Tax codes control how tax applies to each sale. Include standard, zero-rated, and exempt codes as needed. Assign sales tax categories to each product and service. QBO may auto-assign codes from the category. Verify them. Set customer tax preferences and mark exempt customers correctly. Keep this clean to prevent under or over collection. For multi-jurisdictional sales, create combined or custom rates. Ensure each rate maps to the correct agency. In HST provinces, use the single HST code. In GST plus PST provinces, show both GST and PST where applicable. In Quebec, track QST and GST. Remit QST to Revenue Quebec. Keep a quick reference for where your customers are located. On each invoice, choose the right tax code for that customer. Categories help auto-calculate based on item and address. Exempt customers should show no tax with proper documentation. Digital services may still be taxable. Apply HST where required. Out-of-province destination can change the rate you charge. Review tax totals before sending. Accuracy saves time later. Record tax on bills and expenses using the vendor's location rules. Paid tax becomes an input tax credit against what you owe. QBO tracks collected minus paid to show net liability. For imports, apply self-assessed tax if not charged by the vendor. In Quebec, ensure QST on purchases is captured for credits. Keep documentation. Credits require support. Go to Reports and open the Sales Tax Liability Report. Filter by date, customer, or jurisdiction as needed. See totals collected and what is owed to each agency. Analyze net tax owing. Collected minus paid credits. Use it for reconciliations and internal audits. Export reports for your filings or accountant review. Open the Sales Tax Center to file returns. After remitting, mark the return as filed in QBO. QBO updates liability accounts automatically. Set reminders so you never miss a due date. Consistent process equals stress-free filings. Common issues: incorrect codes, missing rates, or untaxed sales. Audit tax settings quarterly or after law changes. Use accountant tools for reconciliation and prior period fixes. Set up agencies and codes accurately, apply the right code every time, and review reports regularly. Subscribe for more Canadian QBO guides, and download the free checklist linked below.